Do you know what level of commitment and discipline we all need to achieve our goals? You all aware that commitment towards any of our goals and the discipline are important factor. But how do we get inspired? From where that inspiration will come so that we will be committed and disciplined to our goals? Let me tell you one story. I was passing by the road. There were some trees around, and I saw there were so many ants were just trying to go on the straight line and collecting. They were holding some foods in their mouths. Now there was some rain forecasted after a few hours, and I think means they must have aware about that there will be rain, so they will just trying to get that food and maybe placing it at somewhere secured place. Now this is very important to understand. How I was just observing them. How I was observing them, I was just checking means what they are doing, how they are working. So the first thing I saw that they all were busy and committed towards their work. They were taking their food from their home, which is in the ground, and they were taking from there, and they were placing it somewhere else in a secure place where they feel that there will be no rain water going. However, there is one more thing which I have observed is that when they were carrying that food from one place to another, they were walking on the same line, one by one. They were not like anyone is walking at any direction or any places. They were walking one by one, step by step, with each other. That's what a discipline. They know they wanted to do this work before the rain comes, and they have the goal that to place this food in a secure place. That's what we need to understand. If you have goal in mind, if you know means how to achieve it, then just try to follow that discipline and have that 100% commitment towards it. That's what we should learn from these ants. Ants are very small, but they teach us very important lesson to us. The discipline. Whenever you see them, they will always walk in the line with each other. It is not like that means they are just walking at anywhere places. This is very important to understand that whenever you see ants, observe them and try to implement their discipline and commitment towards work. That's what is very important, because I feel nature is one of the important teacher for us. Whatever we wanted to learn from nature. There are so many things: birds, trees, then rivers, mountains, seas. There are so many things in the nature which gives us lessons for life. We just need to be aware about them and just try to be aware, try to learn from them. That's what is very important in our life. And if you implement that discipline and commitment like that ants, then I'm sure whatever goals, whatever achievements you wanted to do, you will be able to do it. And I'm also trying to do the same, because I also wanted to improve my communication skills, so I am posting my videos here, and that's why. And I'm doing this daily, because I feel the commitment and discipline is very important, and you should also implement the same thing in your life as well. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions for the improvement, do let me know in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.